boys, it's time for bed. Alright, I'll get ready for bed. No! Don't talk back to me like that, Ryananthony. Go to bed, even though you like it or not. Ryananthony, it's time for bed! Isaac, calm down. Okay. I want to go to bed! I don't want to! You're going to bed, Ryananthony. Hurry up, donkey! Shut up! Ryananthony, that's enough! You're gonna get a punishment day tomorrow if you keep on calling him a donkey! Do you want the lights off? Yeah. Okay. Now there's a special light there. See that up there?
Yeah.
That is a night light. I have a sound effect thing here too. Listen to this.
Oh.
Ain't that pretty cool?
Yeah.
Alright, do you want that other light on too?
Yeah.
Alright, coming right away. Here you go. See you in the morning, kids. And Isaac, I'll give you a brand new iPad Pro for being the nicest kid.
Okay.
And I'll make sure that I'll get that iPad Pro for you by the morning, Isaac. You're the best kid I had in my life.
Okay. Can I get an iPad Pro too?
Shut up and go to bed!
Okay. I wish I had an iPad.
Well, it doesn't look like you deserve one because you don't know how to mine.
Shut up!
Oh no, Ryananthony just fallen off the cliff.
I had a nightmare.
Good morning, boys.
Good morning, Moy.
Oh, good morning, Moy. How are you doing? Did you have sweet dreams?
Yeah, I had a dream that I went to Just Jump with my friends. No, I didn't have any sweet dreams. I had a nightmare. I just woke up now.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, Ryananthony. But you definitely deserve nightmares.
What? What's wrong with you? That's rude.
Oh yeah, Ryananthony, you need to put your shirt on because we're actually about to go to the store soon. So hurry up.
Okay, man.
Isaac, guess what? I got your iPad.
You got my iPad?
Yeah, come on.
I want to see your storage iPad.
Ryananthony, can you stop making noise?
Shut up!
Don't tell me to shut up.
Oh! You made me lose! Oh!
How did that make you lose? Here you go, Isaac.
Wow! Chicken flavored noodles. Thank you so much, Moy.
You're welcome, Isaac. And here's yours, Ryananthony.
Noodles? I don't want noodles. I hate them.
Ryananthony, be thankful what you got.
Shut up, Isaac. Moy, I want to Taco Bell.
What, Ryananthony? You want Taco Bell? Do you want to have diarrhea again?
What?
Ryananthony, you're not allowed to eat Taco Bell no more.
I don't care. If I can't get Taco Bell, I'll walk myself there.
Ryananthony, if you actually walk yourself to Taco Bell, you are in deep trouble, mister.
Does it look like I gave you crap? Does it look like I gave you crap?
Ryananthony, lose that attitude now. You're gonna get a butt whipping in just a second.
Okay!
Alright, it's time to go to the store. No, Ryananthony, you can't get a phone. We're all broke.
Leave me alone!
Do you want this old yogurt? I don't know if it's someone's.
Yeah, I want it! I want
Okay, go get it! See these phones real quick here. Alright, boys, did you get what you want?
Excuse me, ma'am. I think one of your boys is literally lining up a firework inside a store.
Ryananthony, you are in deep trouble for what you have done inside Walmart. You almost got kicked us out, man. The freaking manager told us to leave, or else they will call the cops and take all of us to jail and you'd all get taken away. You're lucky you didn't get taken away, Ryananthony.
Am I grounded?
Yes, you are grounded.
Why?
Don't ask me why. That is not nice.
Okay, so to you!
That is not polite. Well, go home. You are so grounded. Next time, I will freaking call the cops on you for doing that. Acting like I'm a law caller or something.
What?
Because I am a law caller.
What?
Now fasten your seatbelt.
Okay!